Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best laksa paste is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful ingredients you can add to your pantry, transforming simple meals into exotic culinary adventures with just a spoonful. Imagine the rich, aromatic broth, the perfect balance of spicy, savory, and slightly sweet notes, all encapsulated in this convenient paste, ready to elevate your noodle soups, stir-fries, and even marinades to restaurant-quality standards right in your own kitchen. This isn't just about convenience. It's about unlocking a world of Southeast Asian flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and impress your family and friends with minimal effort. Number 5. Prima Taste Laksa Kit, 3 boxes. Experience the rich and authentic taste of laksa, a beloved noodle soup. This kit brings the true flavors of this classic dish right to your kitchen. Enjoy a delicious bowl of laksa in minutes. Our kit makes preparing this complex dish incredibly simple, perfect for any busy day. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 3. It's perfect for stocking up or sharing with family and friends. We use only the finest ingredients to ensure an exceptional taste. Savor the quality that goes into every bite. Transport your taste buds to Singapore with this traditional laksa. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. What we like. This option offers a complete, all-in-one kit for a truly authentic Singaporean laksa experience. It's perfect for those who want convenience without compromising on taste. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to create a delicious laksa at home, this is the one for you. What people say. Super easy to use. 2 internal sleeves inside each box, 1 white powder, coconut, and 1 curry paste. Taste is very close to actual laksa in Singapore. A pack can serve 2 to 3 packs with medium-sized portions. Number 4. Pour Kwan Laksa Paste. Experience the rich and authentic taste of laksa with our specially crafted paste. It brings the vibrant flavors of Southeast Asia right to your kitchen. Our paste is made with high-quality ingredients, including creamy coconut milk and a hint of chili for that perfect balance. It's the secret to a truly delicious noodle soup. Whipping up a delicious bowl of laksa has never been easier. Simply add this paste to your broth and enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home in minutes. This generous 16-ounce container ensures you have plenty to share with family and friends. It's perfect for gatherings or for enjoying multiple meals. Savor the traditional flavors that have been loved for generations. It's a taste that evokes warmth and comfort with every spoonful. Beyond laksa, this versatile paste can be used to add a unique flavor profile to various dishes. Get creative and explore new culinary possibilities. What we like. Experience a rich coconut flavor with a delightful spicy chili kick. This generous portion is ideal for larger gatherings or those who love to have leftovers. If you enjoy a bold and flavorful laksa and need a larger quantity, this paste is an excellent choice. What people say. It's really a good base for laksa, takes most of the work out of it. This paste was recommended from an Australian top chef, and I highly recommend it too. My husband was stunned how I could pull out such an authentic laksa. The taste is right on point. It has a fresh lemongrass flavor with that yummy funk taste. Delicious and authentic, no leak in the box, smells great and is enough for a big pot of soup. Number 3. Laksa Paste, 7 ounces, pack of 1. Experience the rich and authentic taste of laksa with our specially crafted paste. It brings the vibrant flavors of Southeast Asia right to your kitchen. Making delicious laksa has never been easier. Simply add this paste to your broth and enjoy a complex, satisfying meal in minutes. Elevate your home-cooked meals with this versatile paste. It's perfect for creating a traditional laksa soup that will impress your family and friends. We use only the finest ingredients to create this authentic laksa paste. You can taste the quality and care in every spoonful. Savor the traditional flavors of this beloved dish. Our paste captures the essence of authentic laksa, offering a truly memorable culinary experience. What we like. This paste is crafted using a traditional recipe, delivering a savory and aromatic profile. It's a great option for those who want to try a classic laksa without committing to a larger pack. If you appreciate traditional flavors and want to experiment with a single serving, consider this. What people say. This paste made a very tasty flavorful soup, making enough to feed 4 to 5 people. Found the flavors gave a deliciously wonderful taste. And the flavor is divine. Just add a few things that are readily available at any grocery store, and you can experience laksa soup yourself. Number 2. TEAN'S Gourmet Curry Laksa Paste. Experience the rich and authentic taste of Malaysia with our curry laksa paste. It's a culinary journey in every spoonful. Whip up a delicious and satisfying meal in minutes. This paste makes authentic laksa preparation incredibly simple for any home cook. We use only the finest ingredients to create this aromatic paste. You can taste the quality and care in every bite. Perfect for creating a traditional curry laksa, but also great for adding a unique twist to other noodle dishes or stir-fries. Bring the comforting flavors of home-cooked Malaysian cuisine to your table. It's a taste that evokes warmth and tradition. This convenient 200g pack is perfectly portioned for your family's meals. Enjoy authentic flavor without the hassle. What we like. Enjoy a rich and complex curry laksa blend from a popular and trusted brand. It's known for its depth of flavor and satisfying aroma. If you're a fan of curry laksa and seek a well-regarded option, this paste will likely impress. What people say. It's the perfect level of spicy, salty, slightly oily, and funky. This paste is not too spicy, and the heat is actually a low-grade kind of spicy, so you can find a formulation that will suit your tastes. This pouch will easily accommodate at least 4 to 6 servings, depending on how you make your laksa. Number 1. Mekhala Organic Vegan Laksa Curry Paste. Experience the rich and authentic flavors of Singapore-style laksa. This delicious paste brings a taste of tradition right to your kitchen. Enjoy a guilt-free meal with our vegan and gluten-free formulation. It's perfect for those with dietary restrictions or simply seeking a healthier option. Savor the complex and aromatic spices without the overwhelming heat. This paste offers a delightful balance of flavor for everyone to enjoy. Whip up a satisfying laksa in minutes. Simply add your favorite ingredients and let our paste do the work for a truly delicious meal. Crafted with organic ingredients, Mekhala brings you quality and taste. Enjoy the convenience of restaurant-quality flavor at home. What we like. This paste is an organic, vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free option with no added heat. It's perfect for those with dietary restrictions or preferences seeking a healthier laksa. If you are looking for a clean ingredient, mild-flavored laksa base, this is the ideal choice. What people say. A perfect base for the best soup I ever made, which is saying a lot. For us, the ingredient list was the deciding factor to try. At the supermarket and local Asian stores, the ingredients are soy oil and sugar-based, none of the depth of flavor this paste has. I bought this laksa paste on the merit of the ingredients, and especially because I prefer to avoid refined oils. This paste is great, it has an excellent flavor, a good amount of spice, so not much is needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.